In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Reddit. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First thing you need to do is to download and install Reddit from the Play Store. Once you have downloaded it, open it. You can log into Reddit using your Google account, Apple ID or your email address. I'll be using my Gmail account, so click on continue with Google. Select your Gmail account. Select your gender. Now select your interests and then click on continue. Again, click on continue. You can create avatar if you want to. And once you have done that, click on save and continue. And that's it. Your Reddit account is now created. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.